Alright, this is going to be a quick video on how to reset a Unifi device through Putty. So first we're going to go ahead and open up Putty. So there's our Putty screen. You're going to want to navigate to the address that your device lives in. So it's going to be, for us, we're just doing the AP right now. I would recommend not doing this while anyone's using the Wi-Fi because it's going to factory reset everything and you're going to have to re-adopt it. So we're going to hit open. Here's our session up here. So your login is going to be in your portal if it's a device you already have adopted. If it's a new device, then it's going to be UBNT. So it'll be UBNT for the username and password. But for us, we got our own, since we already adopted it. And then our password. So that's how you know you had a successful login. So now we're going to send the command that factory resets it. So that's that command right there. I'll throw that in the description as well, just if you guys need to copy it. And then we'll hit enter. And that's going to kill your connection, and it's going to factory reset that device. So now if we pull up our Unifi portal, we should see it remove itself and then need to be re-added. So let's go ahead and get that window up here for you. There's that. This is our AC mesh. We're going to refresh the page. There you see it came offline. We're going to go ahead and remove it since now it's not online. And once it boots back up, we'll be able to adopt it again. Alright, and there it is, it finally showed up. So we can hit add right there. And now it's adopting and all of our settings should get restored after that. But that is how you reset a Unifi device from Putty. Thanks.